In this tutorial, we'll configure some system settings, so you don't have to reconfigure asset, user, or PM records twice. In the top navigation bar, click the Settings icon and select System Settings. The system ships with some default settings, which can be changed if needed by clicking Edit. Maintenance types describe the work to be done. Let's add a new type. We want to track issues caused by the machine operators, so we'll add a new maintenance type called Operator Misuse. Choose a color and click Save. We can now mark our work orders with the Operator Misuse maintenance type. Next, work order workflow. It is not critical to configure this now, but we'll take a look anyway. The work order flow details the different stages of the work order's life in the system. Let's say every so often we get work orders we can't complete, as we don't have the parts in stock. Click Add New. Let's call this work order status Waiting Parts, and click Save. We can drag and drop it into position. We can also now mark the work order as Waiting Parts. We can also see the new status in the work order Kanban view. Next, we'll select Labour Rates. Labour rates don't represent the rate we pay the employee, they represent the cost of doing maintenance for 1 hour. They include the employee rate, phone expenses, company truck, a share of the supervisor's rate, annual cost of new tools, etc., etc. Click Add New. Add the rate name and hourly rate. Now click Save. Next system setting is meter types. Click Edit to change any of the meter types that ship with the system. Or click Add New to create a new meter. Add the meter name and the meter unit. And click Save New. We can now configure PM triggers with this new meter. Next, let's turn on the Guest Request portal. This portal gives users outside of the core maintenance team the ability to report issues. Only distribute the link throughout the organization when you are up and running. Next, let's add some asset categories. This is a critical setting to configure now and will help when adding assets in the next video. Click Add New. Add the new category. Now click Save. Finally, asset attributes. Simply put, asset attributes are used to attach labels to your assets. They replace custom fields. You can add asset attributes as you create assets, but they can be added or edited here. Click Add New. Add the attribute name. Now click Save. Repeat as needed. And that is it. We can always come back later and make further changes if needed. But for now, time to configure your settings.